Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Zoom Cloud Meetings app into your iPhone or iPad. So the first thing I have to do is I will go into the App Store and then I will search for Zoom, Z-O-O-M, and I will click on Zoom Cloud Meetings, and then I'll just click on Get, and that will install the Zoom Cloud Meetings app into my iPad. I will authorize the app to install in my iPad, and so I think it is downloading right now. I think once the downloading is complete, you will see it in your home screen. Once you see it in your home screen, then I will make another video